Keythedon. Today we're gonna react to Jisoo Earthquake official music video. First time reacting to it dropped a couple of days ago, probably a couple of hours ago. Let me check. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, 21 hours ago, for basically a day. Uh, yeah, I really just want to get into new music, for real, for real. Tired of being stuck in the rap. But let's see. Comment down below if you like, if you got if you want to see a reaction to any type of music video, cause I'm really just like, I love music, I love reacting, so yeah, just don't do no like too much old shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause I didn't already, like, I'm stuck on the old shit. Like, yeah. Alright, I'm out. Alright, come on.
문자에 답변하시기 전에 몇 가지 보안 질문을 좀 해야겠습니다.
DHS.
그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
It hits me like an earthquake.
Oh, that's fire. Oh, that's fire. What? What? That's fire. Nah. They got the whole scene. She in the interrogation. First question is, okay, that's fire. And then the first thing she say, I think she said, he hit me like an earthquake, I think.
It's me like an earthquake. It hits me like an earthquake.
진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게.
Okay, yeah. Nah, I like that. That's fire. Hey. Oh, what type of cut it is? Nah, that's fire. What the hell? I don't know. That's fire. She got that lamb. I like the song. I like the song. So far, I ain't gonna lie. I do. I really do. You know what this sound like? It sound like something that be on a radio or something like that. Like not something you would play, but something like say you changing through the channels from like Q93, 102.9. You know what I'm saying? Like, you change it through the channels, and then you hit this, and you be like, you know what? I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah, that's one of these. You know what I'm saying? That's my opinion, though. At first, I was able to understand what she was saying. Now I don't. I don't know if it's the pronunciation or she just switched languages. I don't know. No, like I genuinely don't know what she's saying. I'm gonna try to go back, but okay. Yeah. Okay, now she back to English. Okay. Nah, hold on. This imagery right here is fire. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. This right here. The whole, like destroying the building and papers flying. That's fire. Let me go back to where we was at. We was right here. Gift in the heart. That's fire. Directed by Kristen fucking Christ, yo. Kristen Buecheler. I'm done. I'm not Christian, nigga. You Christian, nigga. That's it for today, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Join the Discord. Follow my Instagram. I'm out.